Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility. 2. 5-inch or M. 2 and SATA versus NVMe. This determines tools and adapter. Next, make a full backup and create a USB recovery drive so you can restore if needed. Then connect the new SSD via SATA USB or M. 2 enclosure. Once connected, run your disk cloning software. You must choose disk-to-disk cloning, include the OS partition, and select disk alignment options. This gets Windows ready on the new drive before installation. Now you run the clone, pick a trusted tool and pick your source disk and the target SSD. Make sure partitions are aligned for SSD performance and disable sector by sector unless you need exact bit copies. If the source is larger than the SSD, shrink the system partition or exclude non-essential files. Once cloned, run a file system check and clear temporary files. After cloning, safely eject the SSD from USB, then shut down and get ready to swap drives inside the laptop. You power down, open the laptop, remove the old drive and install the SSD, secure it and reassemble carefully. Once done, boot into BIOS or UEFI. Set the new SSD as the first boot device and enable OSI for SATA drives to improve speed. Boot into Windows, run trim optimize drive, update storage drivers, and expand partitions if space remains unallocated. If it fails to boot, check boot order and SATA mode, if needed. Reconnect old drive to recover files or redo cloning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.